Hello students, in this video we are going to see the examples on how to convert object diagram to class diagram. So this is the one of the exercise I have taken from Object Oriented Modeling and Design book. So here the object diagram is given and our task is to convert this object diagram into the class diagram. So here you can see three objects are derived from the country classes. So India colon country, this which is underlined, this is the one object. Again France colon country, second object, and Spain colon country, third object. So these three are the object, and the notation for object is object name colon class name, and which is underlined. So based on this we have understood that these are the object. Again in object diagram the values are associated with the attribute. So you can see here the name is the attribute of this country class and the values are associated with this name. Here the India is the name of this object. Again France is the name of this object, and again Spain is the name of this object. So in object diagram the values are associated with the attributes, and in between these two objects you can see here the border is the link name, or we can say that the relationship name is there. So border is the link name. So now our task is to convert this object diagram into the class diagram. So based on this knowledge we have understood that there is a one class, the country class, name of that class is a country, and country class has the attribute is the name attribute. So here you can see the solution. One class is there, name of that class is a country, and here the attribute name is the attribute of that country class, and in for this country class there is a reflexive association, and the name of that association is the borders, and the country class has the many to many relationship is there. So this is the one of the solution. Again here you can see only difference is that we used here the attribute data type is used here. So name is of the string data type. So these two are the valid solutions for this object diagram. So likewise you can draw the class diagram from the object diagram. Now this is the second example. Again same, you have to convert this object diagram into the class diagram. So the object diagram is given here. Four objects of the point classes are used. So this is the anonymous object because we don't know the name of the object, but we know that this anonymous object is derived from the point class. Same here. So these four are the objects which are derived from the point classes, and for this point class there are the two attribute x coordinate and y coordinate. So these two are the attribute of the point class. Again the polygon object is there, and which is derived from the polygon class, and in between this point and polygon there is a association, sorry, there is a link name, or the relationship is there, and the name of that relationship is a has relationship. So based on this diagram we have understood that there are the two classes, the point class and the polygon class, and for point class there are the two attribute x coordinate and y coordinate, and here in object diagram there is a no attribute attributes for this polygon class. So based on this we have convert object diagram into the class diagram. So there are the two classes, polygon and point class is there, and in point class these are the two attribute x coordinate and y coordinate, and in between these two there is a association name, has is the association name, and based on our mathematical understanding I used here the multiplicity because one polygon has minimum 3 points are required for making the polygon. So that's why at least 3 polygons points are required for making polygon. So based on that we use the cardinality as 1 to 3 as to many. Okay, so the same diagram, instead of that 3 as to many, we used here star. So both these two are the possible solutions of this object diagram. Okay, so again you can use again you can convert object diagram into the class diagram. So this is the reference I have used. Thank you.